The scalping strategy we'll discuss today is highly profitable and uses two free TradingView indicators. In this example, we'll apply the strategy to trading on the 15-minute time frame. While demonstrated on Forex, this strategy is versatile and works for other assets like gold, crypto, and stocks. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Adding the XTL DMA Cloud indicator. Open TradingView. Go to the Indicator Search tab, type XTL DMA Cloud, and select it. Adjust the settings. Style tab. Uncheck all options except for bar color. Click OK to save changes. This indicator serves as a trend guide. Blue candles equals bullish trend. Red candles equals bearish trend. White candles equals no clear trend. Avoid trading. Step 2. Adding the Vamanu Swing Free indicator. In the Indicator Search tab, type Vamanu Swing Free and select it by Jazzle. Adjust the settings. Style tab. Uncheck bar color, high band fill, and low band fill. Customize the high band and low band colors and thickness to your preference. Click OK to save changes. Step 3. How to trade using these indicators. Buy entry setup. Look for a buy signal from the Vamanu Swing Free indicator. Confirm the signal. The XTL DMA Cloud indicator must show a blue candlestick, bullish trend. If conditions are met, place a buy entry after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the low band line. Take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. Sell entry setup. Look for a sell signal from the Vamanu Swing Free indicator. Confirm the signal. The XTL DMA Cloud indicator must show a red candlestick, bearish trend. If conditions are met, place a sell entry after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the high band line. Take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.